Welcome back to In the Kitchen. I'm Susan from Being Casey, but everyone calls me Mom.
I'm coming home.
It's almost Thanksgiving, and when I bake, I like to use simple ingredients. Today I'm going to be making a pumpkin cream cheese swirl muffin. We'll do it in less than 30 minutes, and I got the idea from Novice Chef. So if you want to go to their YouTube station, just press the button above. Now the very first thing we'll need to do is turn the oven to 375. This is the first time I've made this, so I'm going to be using my cheat sheet. We'll be doing this together, but I'll have to cheat a little bit, and I'll have to wear my glasses because I can't see. So the first thing that we're going to do in a large bowl, we're going to whisk 1 3/4 cups of flour. Next, we are going to put pumpkin spice in, and that will be 1 tablespoon. And by the way, you don't have to remember what we're putting in. We'll leave that in the direction box below. And then lastly, we are going to put baking soda and salt. A teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of salt. I've already mixed them in here together. Okay, and then we're going to whisk those together. Okay, I've put the dry ingredients to the side, and then in a different bowl, I'm going to take a 15 ounce can of pumpkin. I get really thirsty doing this, so I have a little drink every once in a while. All right, so we have our pumpkin, our sugar, which would be 1 cup of sugar, white granulated sugar. Get all the pumpkin out here. All right, 1 cup of sugar, and a 1/2 cup of packed brown sugar. And then we're going to this off, and we're going to whisk these together. Okay, we've moved everything over to the KitchenAid because we want it to be nice and thick and creamy. And we're going to turn the KitchenAid on, which I have not used one of these before. Okay. And as it's doing that, we're going to put in 3 more ingredients. We're going to put in 2 eggs, some vegetable oil, and some vanilla. And we're going to let that mix for just a minute. Okay, we've taken the bowl off the KitchenAid, and now we're going to slowly whisk in the flour mixture. Pull that over here. And once that's mixed up, we are going to scoop it up, and we are going to put it in 18 muffin holders. I like to use the paper covers so that they come out easily and don't get stuck to the pan. All right, we're going to scoop these about 3/4 full into the holders. There we go. I'm going to do 18 of them. And then we are going to put them aside because we're going to make a cream cheese swirled topping to put on them before we bake them. So we'll be right back. Off of film, we washed the KitchenAid bowl, and then we went ahead and put the cream cheese, egg yolk, sugar, and vanilla in here. and we mixed it. However, when we took it off, I may not have mixed it enough, and there are a few lumps in there, so I'm just mixing it a little bit by hand just to get the lumps out before we add this onto the muffins. Right, now that we've gotten, hopefully, majority of the lumps out, we're going to get a tablespoon. And we're going to scoop a tablespoon of the mixture on top of each one of the muffins. And by the way, I told you earlier it's supposed to make 18. However, after 18, we still had some more dough or mixture left. So really it could make 20. We just added up to the other ones, but it could definitely make 20. So scoop this on here, tablespoon each. And then, after we've put the tablespoon on there, we'll get a toothpick. Put those there for now. And we will get a toothpick. And the directions say that we will scoot it around like this, or swirl it around. I may have put more cream cheese mixture than I was supposed to, but that's okay, it'll taste great. Okay, I've just put the muffins in the oven, 375, and the directions say 18 to 20 minutes, or until you can put a toothpick in the center and it comes out clean. So can't wait for them to be ready. See you shortly. The muffins are all done. We let them cool for about 10 minutes, and I wish you were here because they smell so good. So what you do next is pick your favorite drink. This is a pumpkin spice martini, and I'm going to add a little bit of nutmeg to it. There we go. Yummy. And gosh, I wonder who could come and join me for this. Look who I found to join me in the muffins and the drinks.
Hey y'all, thank you so much for hanging out with my mom today as she did this recipe. I'm so excited to try it because it smells so good, and you never go wrong with a martini, so cheers.
Cheers.
Oh, that is good.
It's very good.
Okay, the moment of truth.
Look good.
Oh my God.
Good on it. Very good. Cheers.
Y'all, definitely try this. And make sure you like and subscribe below. If you like what you saw today, share it on all of your social media. It would help us out so much and we would appreciate it.
I'm coming